Hello everyone, welcome to Young Innovators. Hope you all have watched our previous video on transistors and tried the circuits on your own. In today's video, we will look into a new component, a display device that is one of the most effective and essential output device, the 7-segment display. The 7-segment display is the oldest yet one of the efficient type of display used in all kinds of visual applications. This display has nothing more than 8 LEDs inside it. Each LED in the display is denoted as a segment and given the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G. To turn on a particular segment of the display, you give power to that segment just like you would do with a regular LED so that some segments will light up and others will be dark, allowing the desired characters to be generated on the display. 7-segment displays are of two types, common cathode and common anode. The internal structure of both types is nearly the same. The difference is that the polarity of the LEDs and the common terminal. As their name suggests, the common cathode has all the cathodes of the LEDs in a 7-segment connected together, and the common anode has all the anodes of the LEDs in a 7-segment connected. Each display is termed as a module. Here is a picture of the common anode and common cathode display. Moving further, let us use the 7-segment display in a circuit and study the same. Let us go to Tinkercad worksheet and start constructing the circuit. First, let us build a simple one. The circuit diagram is as seen. Let us take a 7-segment, a resistor, a battery, and a breadboard to the worksheet and construct the circuit. Here I am using a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the battery terminal to the breadboard. Now connect the positive lead to the resistor and the other end of the resistor will go to the power or common terminal of the segment. Next, let's connect the pin A to the negative lead on the breadboard. Circuit is completed. Let's start simulation. The segment A will glow. In the same way, if we connect all the pins or segments from pin A to pin G, we get to see number 8 displayed. So, in this way, we can power each segment of the display to visualize or show the desired characters. Let's try to build another circuit which can display alphabet A in the 7-segment display. The components needed for the circuit are same as before. We have all of them on the worksheet. The circuit diagram is as shown to display the alphabet. Now connect the positive lead to the resistor and the other end of the resistor to the power or common terminal of the 7-segment. After that, let us connect pin A, B, C, E, F and G to the negative lead of the breadboard and complete the circuit. Let's start simulation. We can see alphabet A displayed on the device. In the same way, we can connect the segments in different combinations to display various alphabets and numbers. Now, let us build another circuit displaying two numbers in a same circuit using slide switch. Here is the circuit diagram for the same. Make a note of it and try the same on your own. In this circuit, we get to see numbers 1 and 0 displayed based on the state of the switch. That is, we see one number when the switch is on and the other number if the switch is off. Let me introduce a slide switch to the previous circuit and make the connections as needed. Now, let's connect the negative lead to the pin B and C and place the slide switch on the breadboard. Connect the terminal 1 of the slide switch to the negative lead of the breadboard. Next, let's connect the common terminal of the slide switch to the 7-segment display pin D, E and F. On simulating the circuit, we see 1 displayed when the switch is off, and on sliding the switch to the other end, we can see 0 displayed on the device. This was one example of the combination of the switches and 7-segment display. We have many other examples where we can display alphabets and numbers in the same way. We can see 7-segment displays in our everyday life in products like digital meters, clocks, display boards in trains and buses, etc. For example, the timers that we see in ovens, washing machine or any digital appliances at our homes has a 7-segment display. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.